Hello everybody, this is Chilmin. Welcome to my channel Beauty and Beyond. Today I'll be talking about a blusher palette which I have been using a lot of late and I have been loving it. And for this look also I have applied one of the colors from that palette. Without much delay I'll show you the palette. It's the Cameo, how do you pronounce it? Cameo, whatever. The Cameo color series 5 colors blush palette. It actually comes in a package like this, cardboard package, and here is the picture of the product, what you get inside. Description which mentions Cameo color series 5 colors blush gives cheeks a soft healthy glow with natural looking shades, stay true color and long wearing. The colors are good, but you cannot say that it stays for a very long time. It's kind of okay, the staying power is kind of okay, but what exactly is written about the product is it highlights and defines your face with a wash of fresh color. Yes guys, the colors are great. I'll be swatching each one of the colors on my hand. I cannot apply it right now and show it to you. I'm already wearing one. If you want application video, want to see how it looks on my cheeks, then I'll definitely do either a blog post or a separate video for that. But today I'll be swatching the colors for you. So without much delay, I'll be showing you the color palette. This is it. These are some beautiful shades. Hope you can see properly. And actually this is the shade that I'm wearing now. It comes with 2 applicators, which is great. I have not used these applicators as I have my own blush brush. Brush I use, and this is from Smashbox, which is the best. So here are the colors and I'll show you how it looks on my hand. Let's start. So this is the color. It kind of looks very light on camera. As I can see it, it's a bubblegum pink kind of a shade. It's very light and I think it will suit only people with very fair complexions. Maybe not suitable for Indian warm toned complexions looks. Here is the swatch. It does not look bad actually. If you want a very subtle kind of look on your skin, it will look good. Not very rosy or intense color, to just a little bit of flush of color on your cheeks, then I think this color is going to be good for you. But I love the color. Then I'll show this color. On camera it appears to be a bright pink. See, this is the color. So again, I'll be applying on my hand. I'll be showing you guys. Which I think is again very pretty, and it will suit all skin tones. This will be perfect for every skin tone. The colors. Yes. Now that I'll be swatching this one. It's a peachy coral kind of shade, and it looks very pretty actually. I don't know how it will look on my if I apply it on my cheeks, but here it looks very good. You can see. Isn't it pretty? Yes. actually a great highlighter. This is a pretty shade. Can you see? I love this shade. This will be a very good highlighter, and it has shimmers as well. The rest of the colors are, the first two colors were matte, and this one has a bit of shimmer. Not bit, it's very shimmery. And the first color will give a subtle glow to your face, but don't expect a very glowing, or if you want a very glowing or shimmery kind of face, don't expect good results with the first color that I've shown. It will give a very subtle kind of glow, and it will go with the lighter kind of looks. And the second one is a warm tone color, and will give a nice pinkish shade on your cheeks, and it will suit all complexions. The third one obviously is a shimmery color, and it will act as a very good highlighter, and I'm loving that shade. I'm definitely going to use that shade the most, I think. Now the fourth color is this one. It's a very warm pink color. It's a very warm shade. At least it appears to be like that. Let's see how it pays off. So this is the shade. This is also a very pretty color. I'm going to apply it on my hands. Okay guys, this is looking to be a bright pink shade with shimmers. This is also not matte. If you want for gorgeous do's and makeups, I think this is the one that will go with it. This will look very good. See, this is the color. Isn't it pretty? This is a pretty shade. And again, this will suit every kind of complexion. Dark, dusky, fair, medium, wheatish, everything. Now comes the shade that I'm already wearing, and actually this is the shade that I have used so far. I haven't used rest of the colors. This is the color. This is again a very pretty color. It's totally matte, and it actually gives a rosy glow to the face. I wouldn't say that the color payoff is very good with this color particularly. It's not as subtle as the first shade that I have shown, but still it's not that intense also. So it will be good for rosy glow effect. Very suitable for summer makeups, spring makeups. I'm sorry. For summers, I think that the coral shimmery shade is the best. This is the shade. This is the shade, guys. I think I have shown all the 5 shades now, and this is the palette, and this is my look using the blast color that I have shown. If you want to know more about the look, or if you want a tutorial on this look, please let me know in the comment section below. Definitely do a video on that. And if you want the other colors be applied on my face, or you want a tutorial with those colors, I'll make separate videos on that as well. So let me know about your thoughts and I'll definitely work on that. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, please hit the like button down and subscribe to my channel. And let me know if you want to see more videos like this about swatches, or what kind of videos you want to see from my side. I'll definitely try to work on those videos. So, thanks for watching again. Bye bye.